think that should be good now. It's going. It's my belly look big. It's kind of big. Wishy. Hey. All right. So we're headed towards Lake Haruna. It doesn't just like, oh, I'm gonna slip in, nice and easy. No, you need to make sure it's in gear. It wants you to make sure you can feel it. It doesn't just, let it in easy. You have to wine, dine, buy gifts. You got a transmission up to you. But she's stout. I love it. Thankfully, that me mode on the Insta 360 works out a hell of a lot better than trying to record in 360, because recording in 360 just did not work out well at all. Like, it required... I don't want to hear this. I don't want you to talk. Why do you talk? Volume's all the way down. So I need to find out how to get the radio on. Well, the radio is turned down. The voice and navigation, I need to find out how to get that down, because it does that all the time. And then the dash cam that's installed, I think, because it's a rental car, and I think that both of those talk so much, it's just annoying as anything. Person walking down the road, I'm not walking, bicycling down the road. Sorry, you see my face. Up close. My mount for the 360 camera for the back was just rolling around the passenger floorboard. So basically, every time you hear a little beep, it's because it's like, oh, G-forces. You must be getting ready to crash. You're not doing it right. If I accelerate too fast, if I turn too fast, if I brake too fast, it's like beep, beep, beep. Then if I do it really too fast, it's just like, come inside. And then it starts doing all the weird talking that I can't understand. I'd love to learn Japanese. But even just watching them talk into the translate, and translating as they spoke, I don't understand how sentences are constructed. It changes its meaning like 5 times. Like even like words that are at the end of the sentence affected the meaning of the beginning of the sentence. So I mean, like when I was taking French, you put Napa around the word, an adjective for verb. Verb, yeah. Verb. It's one of those. If you speak French or you're an English major, correct me because I'm wrong. Oh my shit! This is beautiful. I wish I could. Wow. I want to park. Giant was oh yeah, it's like Haruna, that's right, yes. Shit. They have the huge, yeah, let me go back. They have that huge shrine and you go back. So you gotta find out this turnaround. If I can. Right here? Maybe. It's closed off, but that means I can turn around. It says no. It says no. Harunajinja Shrine. I'm probably pronouncing Jinga or whatever way wrong, but it is what it is. One thing I need to learn is where the fuck the back of the car is. I don't want to wreck it, but at the same time, I don't want my nose sticking out, to Timbuktu. Well, let's try this. Let me see if I can get this off. I'm just going to carry this bitch. There we go. So let's grab this. Nope, let's. Ugh. Look at her. Beautiful. I can hear water. Where are my glasses though? Yes, it is bright. And I'm one of those blue-eyed, fair-skinned plebs who can't see shit in the daylight. Ohio gozaimasu. I always forget my words. Look at that. Sugoi. Yeah, Ohio gozaimasu. That's the kind of good morning. Oh. Alright, I'm glad I brought the camera. Wait till you see this. I can tell this is actually some of this route is man-made. Look at that wall. That wall has to be man-made. That rock formation, that was done a very long time ago. And sorry shoes, but I think I found a way for us to go down here. But no. It is, but it isn't. I'm not going to go that extreme right now. I mean, like, if I had better shoes and everything for it, maybe. But I don't. I have... This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Can I move here yet? This is absolutely gorgeous. Or the Carolinas, you know. This actually reminds me a lot of the Carolina mountains. It does. That's why I want to move there so bad. I mean, you know, I'd probably be another decade out before I can do that, but that's an end goal. Move to the Carolina mountains. You know, I'd love to have a little cabin that has a stream going by it like this. Just, you know, kick back in the mornings, sit out in, you know, in pajamas in a chair, eating breakfast and listening to the water rush by. Then take my Skyline out and go up and down, you know, the roads, and, you know, the togays, American togays, because they actually have a lot of them. Everybody says, "Oh, tail of dragon, so cool, Sugoi." No, I'll go on the tail and just to get my sticker for that with the car, but there's so much better roads. Tail is kind of overhyped. I mean, this car is overhyped, but it's also worth it. Tail of dragon, just, you know, people too crowded. Like, I like roads that aren't crowded. And when something is too popular, too many people go down it. All right, let's get back in the car. Oh God. I was trying to make sure to not crease this part of the seat right here. It's very common for people to, well, for cars to have that part creased. Hey. Well, I'm gonna hit 30,000 kilometers today on the Nismo dash. Car has more than that, not much more. When I bought it, it had about 46,000 kilometers. Had about 46,000 kilometers. So I need to took a picture, I think, of the day I got into the car, or a video or something, one of those two, and I need to record the mileage before I even drove it, that we can kind of keep track as to how many it actually has. I think they have the documentation and the paperwork for when it was swapped out, so I'll have the exact kilometers that the car has on it. But it is low. I mean, it's definitely less than 50,000 kilometers. Even by the end of the trip, it'll be less than 50,000 kilometers still. So it's a very low mileage, low kilometer car. And there's my BRZ, the big wing on the back. Or yeah, the Subaru BRZ, yes. Center. Oh, yeah, it's about to get good. I can see the lines now. I don't want to do it dangerously per se, but entire time. Can't enjoy them. So I want to enjoy them. The sights here are just beautiful. Definitely an incline. This is a pretty significant incline. I can hear the water rushing. Actually, we're near the top. Oh shit! Oh, I can see it right here. Oh, it's beautiful. Little more, and then out. And we're back to the toilet again. I kicked the rear end out, holy shit! On an all-wheel drive. Ah! Sugoi! Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, that was fun. Oh, nope, hell no. It's a drop off it in half. As you can hear, this thing was not happy with me.